When it comes to maintaining and improving your home, window replacement is one of the best investments Lexington homeowners can make. Whether you're looking to increase your home's energy efficiency, improve its aesthetic appeal, or simply enhance its overall functionality, replacing your windows offers a multitude of benefits. If you're considering upgrading your windows, here are some key advantages that make this home improvement project worthwhile. Energy efficiency and cost savings. One of the top reasons homeowners in Lexington opt for window replacement is the potential to save on energy bills. Older windows, especially those with single panes or worn-out seals, can be a major source of heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. This inefficiency forces your HVAC system to work harder, increasing your energy consumption and costs. New, energy-efficient windows, on the other hand, are designed with advanced insulation technologies. Features like double or triple glazing, low E coatings, and gas fills between the panes help keep your home at a comfortable temperature year-round. These upgrades reduce your reliance on air conditioning and heating, leading to lower energy bills. Plus, you may qualify for energy tax credits depending on the type of windows you choose, making it even more economical. Improved curb appeal. Replacing outdated or worn-out windows can dramatically enhance the appearance of your home. Windows play a crucial role in defining a home's curb appeal, and new ones can instantly update the look of your property. Whether you prefer a traditional style or a more modern design, window replacement allows you to choose from a wide variety of styles and materials, such as vinyl, wood, or fiberglass, to match your home's aesthetic. New windows can also give your home a fresh and polished look, which is particularly important if you're planning to sell. Homes with updated windows are more likely to attract buyers and can even increase the resale value of your property. In Lexington's competitive real estate market, an attractive home with energy-efficient windows can make a lasting impression. Noise reduction. Living in a busy neighborhood or near a noisy street can disrupt your peace and quiet, but replacing your windows with high-quality, noise-reducing options can provide significant relief. Many modern windows are designed to minimize outside noise, which is especially beneficial in urban areas or for homes located on busy roads. The combination of double glazing, thicker glass, and enhanced insulation helps to block out unwanted sounds, creating a quieter and more serene indoor environment. If you've been bothered by traffic, neighbors, or other external noise, window replacement can make a noticeable difference in your comfort and overall quality of life. Enhanced security. Your windows are a vital part of your home's security. Older or damaged windows are often easier to break into, putting your family and belongings at risk. Modern windows are built with stronger materials and improved locking mechanisms, making them much more difficult to tamper with or break. Upgrading to impact-resistant windows is another option if security is a top priority. These windows are designed to withstand extreme weather and forceful impacts, providing an added layer of protection for your home. Whether you live in an area prone to storms or want to improve your home's overall security, window replacement is an excellent step towards peace of mind. UV protection and interior preservation. Ultraviolet, UV, rays from the sun can cause significant damage to your home's interior. Over time, UV rays can fade furniture, flooring, and fabrics, leaving them looking worn and dull. Many modern windows are equipped with low-E coatings that block harmful UV rays, helping to protect your belongings from sun damage. By installing windows with UV protection, you can preserve the vibrant colors of your carpets, furniture, and artwork while also preventing the fading of your home's exterior. This added benefit ensures that your home stays looking fresh for longer, minimizing the need for frequent replacements or repairs. Better comfort year-round. New windows offer superior insulation, meaning that your home stays warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. This makes it easier to maintain a consistent indoor temperature and improves overall comfort. Whether it's battling the cold Lexington winters or the summer heat, well-insulated windows will keep your home feeling cozy, no matter the season. Additionally, modern windows can help reduce drafts, which are often caused by worn-out seals or ill-fitting frames. Replacing these old windows eliminates drafts, ensuring that your living space remains comfortable throughout the year. Minimal maintenance. Old windows can be a hassle to maintain. Single-pane windows may need frequent repairs, and older frames can become warped or rot over time, requiring costly upkeep. New windows are built to be low maintenance, with many options featuring durable frames that resist warping, fading, and cracking. Vinyl windows, for example, only need occasional cleaning with soapy water, and they never need to be painted. This ease of maintenance frees up time for you to enjoy your home rather than constantly worrying about window repairs. Conclusion. Window replacement is a smart and valuable investment for Lexington homeowners. From saving money on energy bills and enhancing curb appeal to improving comfort and security, the benefits are undeniable. If your windows are old, inefficient, or simply outdated, upgrading them will provide long-term rewards and enhance the overall enjoyment of your home. Whether you're planning to stay for years to come or looking to increase your home's market value, new windows are an investment that truly pays off.